In this session we will going to learn how we can add pen gesture to a view, and to start with you need to create one project. So I have already created one, so you can follow me. We created one project and now we will see that how we can add pen gesture to a view. So go to storyboard here. This is my interface builder. Now add view. We can add another view also, but this view is simple, so we will be adding here. Add it to the center of the screen. Now change the color so that it is visible. I will be, yeah, make it to blue. Now add pen gesture here. Drag and drop on that view. Over here you can see the icon, and this icon is visible when I drag this pen gesture to this view. If you want to see it again, then Control Z, then you can see here. Now add the pen gesture on this view. That icon is visible here. Okay. Write IB action for the pen gesture, and to do that you need to go to the assistant editor first. Okay, we are on the assistant editor. Now go to the pen gesture icon, press Control key of keyboard and drag to the view controller. Now select the connection type as action, and choose type UI pen gesture recognizer, and write the name of your IB action, pen perform. Okay. Now here we will going to write code for the pen gesture. Okay, if sender, here sender is the view that is being recognized by the pen gesture here. So pen gesture send us the sender view. Now we will check the status that begin, and if the sender dot state dot changed, now we will get the translation value, and translation is the actual amount of done by the pen gesture. So here we will be getting this value, translation. It will going to return us the x, the changes, uh, the difference in the x and y axis. Now we're going to get the changes in the x axis. So for that we will be creating one change change x variable, and then we will going to get the center value. Okay, center value of x, and then we will going to add the changes that performed by the pen gesture. Okay, so here is an issue, we will going to fix it. So the similar way we will going to copy this and paste it for the y, change this. Okay, okay, so here it is. Now we have the updated coordinates. Now we're going to set this coordinate at the center of the view, so that you will be moved to that point. CG point. Okay, I'm going to copy that and paste it right here. Now we will going to set the translation for this. Okay, to 0, to set its translation to 0. CG point dot 0 and then sender for this view. Okay, now we're going to run this and check this check the changes made by this code. Now you can see that if we drag this on the screen, then it is moving, and if we drop it here, then its current then its CG point is set as per the change X and change Y. So this is how you can perform pen gesture on your complex UI also. Please try it and practice it at your own. Thanks for watching this video.